Hello, everyone. Divestments coming to you with another short video. Hey, real quick, just make sure you like, comment, and share my videos. And as always, the information here I provide is for educational purposes only. This is not investment advice. So real quick, I just kind of want to recap today's trading day and kind of point out some things for the new traders that you might have got hung up on this morning if you had, if you would have been trading. So as I look at how the market opened, we did have a gap up this morning, and price went up to about 375. Okay, and that's this long candle here right at the beginning of the day here at right at 9:30, and then it pulled back, and it pulled back to 372.45, went back up to 373.95, and came back down to 372.05. So pretty much in the first 30 minutes of the market, you had price at 372.05 at the lowest, and 375 and some change, like 375.85 was the high of the day at that at 10 o'clock. So once it did hit this first low, it did come up to 374.14. But some of the things that I want to point out to you, when you look at some of these candles, you see that, these candles have, some wicks on both ends, which do indicate indecision. So you've got, wicks on both ends of the red candle here. You've got wicks on both ends of the green candle here. And then you've got their two small smooth bottom, I call them smooth bottom candles here. And then followed by two red candles that have wicks on the tops and the bottoms. Well, these are HA candles. And, here at Divestments, we like to trade the smooth body candles going up. And as you can see, you had two or three more smooth body candles, and then you had green candles with wicks on both ends. Okay, so when you have wicks on both ends, that's letting you know that price is dropped during that 2-minute period to give us, a wick on the end, a wick on the bottom and on the top. It went up and then it went down, and like I said, it gave us a wick on the top and the bottom. So sometimes when you get candles like this, even though they are going in the direction that you want them to go in, sometimes that significant pullback that you get, whether to the upside or to the downside, can scare you out of your trade. Okay, because it may pull back and it may take 10 cents from your option, which 10 cents is a lot, especially if you only trading one contract. So hence, this is the reason why I stayed out of the market in the morning. Okay, I wind up trading today like around lunchtime. My first trade I did was right here when price pulled up above the 20. And I had some smooth bottom, candles to trade off of. So I just kind of waited it out, patience and time, when timing is everything. You want to get in, you want to make sure that your entries are good. So some traders did trade this put here, and this was an excellent put to trade. I personally, didn't trade it. Wasn't really watching it at that particular time, but some people did catch it. So, and that's great. I mean, it followed true. It fell up under the 20 and the 200, and you had red candles for a good solid. You had like what? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you had about a good 40 minutes. I'm sorry, a good 15 minutes, a good 15, 20 minutes of solid downward trading here. And then, like I said, it hit this new low at 371.51, and that is when I took advantage of it. And as you can see, price popped its head through the 200 here, and then it pulled back to the 20, and it came back up again. And then it came back down again up under the 20. So it was kind of rocking and rolling, up and down during this time. And then I made another entry here. I had green candles and they were smooth bottoms and they were coming off of a higher low from 371.51 up to 372.88. And I took this ride here, had to run out. So I didn't take the complete ride. I just pretty much just took what the market had gave me because I left out the house about 1 o'clock or so. So I just kind of took what the market gave me, got out, and that was the end of my trading for the day. But I did see towards the end of the day, you did get some entries here. You got to bounce off the 200 here at about what's that, 144, around in that area. So you were able to get about $1 out of that. And then the other one was at the end of the day around 3:30, and you were able to get at probably about $2, a good solid $2 out of this one, because it went up to like 375.34. So and that first green candle started about 374.14. So it's probably about a good $1. So you got about a good $1 run out of this one as well. So like I said, I personally like to trade the HA candles that have the smooth bottoms. And if it's going up, I want the smooth bottom. If I'm trading a put, I want the smooth top. Not so much, little small shadows at the top are fine, because that's telling me the price is not, it's not doing drastic moves. When you have these long wicks at the top and the bottom, such as this one here, this is letting me know that price made a drastic move back down. Or you get a candle like this one here at 12:30 with the wick on the top and the bottom. It went up, it went down, and then it closed like right in the middle, middle ways between the up, between the two shadows, the one on the top, the one on the bottom. So that was all I wanted to go over. Hope you guys had a great trading day, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow.